Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so I just want to talk a little bit about VVTs and the codes for VVTs. Variable valve timing codes P0011, P0010, P0012, P0013, P0014, or P0028. If you guys have these codes and your car is kind of driving rough, just want to tell you guys an easy fix. A lot of times it's not the solenoid, it's not the VVT solenoid itself that's causing the issue. What you guys want to do is you guys want to make sure that your engine oil is clean. You want to make sure that the engine oil is at the full mark. All right, a lot of times if you don't have enough engine oil, if you have not enough engine oil in your engine, it's going to trigger these codes. If you don't change your oil every 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 miles, it's gonna have sludge build up. And what happens is a lot of times on the VVTs, there is a little screen on the solenoid that gets, sludge gets into it, sludge gets built up, it gets dirty, and the oil is not going through the filter. Not enough of it's going through the filter, and it's not going to actuate correctly, and that's when you're going to have issues with the VVT solenoids, and it's going to trigger these codes. What you can do is you can change the VVT solenoids, but a lot of times it's not actually the solenoids itself, it's actually the screen on the solenoid. So if you're if you're mechanically inclined, or even if you're not very mechanically inclined, you can they're not hard to get to, they're not hard to take out. The solenoids themselves are not that expensive. You can change them up. You can change them up if you want, or what you can do is you can just take it out, clean the screen. All right, clean the screen. Use a brush, right, like a toothbrush. You guys could use a toothbrush, a plastic brush. Clean the screen, and then pop them back in, and erase the codes. Drive it for a little bit. Most of the times, it'll resolve the issue. You're not going to get the codes anymore. However, if you guys want to go and buy some new solenoids and pop it in, just to make sure that the solenoid isn't the issue itself, or the electrical part of the solenoid isn't the issue itself, it's not malfunctioning, go buy the VVTs and pop it in. They're not hard to take out, they're not hard to pop it in. I've done a couple of videos on that, and yeah, and make sure that your oil is clean. Make sure that's not dirty or it's not sludgy. If you guys haven't changed your oil in a while, definitely change your oil, and make sure that it's topped off. That's pretty much all you guys have to do, and hopefully that'll fix your issue. But hope this video has helped you guys out with your car issues. If you guys have your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.